Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurudaini and today I will be presenting my project titled Gift of Love, an awareness campaign to encourage clothing donation through a smart donation tracking app. So this project focused on promoting clothing donation through a digital tracking system. Instead of throwing away clothes, this campaign encouraged people to donate, track and give clothes a second life using QR technology and rewards. Most people think recycling means destroying materials. However, many clothes are still wearable. So this campaign promotes rewearing and regiving, which I call re-love, meaning giving clothes a second love. Gift of Love represents giving clothes a second chance to be valued again. Instead of saying donated clothes as old, this campaign reframes them as meaningful gifts that are loved again by someone new. There are three main problems. First, fast fashion causes excessive textile waste. Second, people-led awareness of the environmental and social impact of clothing waste. Third, community participation in clothing donation is still low, especially among young adults. This project aims to understand young adults' awareness and attitudes towards clothing donation. It also studies how visual communication can influence donation behavior. Finally, it develops a creative campaign that is interactive, emotional, and convenient. The vision is to make clothing donation simple, transparent, and meaningful. The mission is to encourage sustainable fashion habits by transforming donation into an easy and rewarding experience. The target audience is young adults aged 18 to 13, mainly students and early career professionals. They are usually aware, value sustainability, and prefer practical and affordable fashion choice. The Gift of Love logo is designed to visually communicate the idea of clothing donation as a meaningful and positive action. The logo consists of three main elements which work together to support the campaign message. First, the campaign name Gift of Love uses a playful and friendly typeface. This typeface helps create a warm, youthful and approachable personality, making the campaign feel less serious and more inviting, especially for young adults. Second, the donation bin icon represents the actual action of donation clothes. It clearly communicates the purpose of the campaign and allows audience to immediately understand where and how they can contribute. Lastly, the ribbon icon symbolizes a gift box. This element reinforces the idea that every donated item is not just used clothing, but a meaningful gift that carries care, kindness, and value for the next person. So overall, the logo combines functionality and emotion to encourage participation while maintaining a strong, consistent visual identity. So next is color palette. We use bright and warm colors such as blue, orange, pink and also yellow. These colors create a friendly, positive and trustworthy visual identity that attracts young audience. The layout design focuses on clarity and consistency. Information icons and visuals are arranged in a clean structure so user can easily understand the message at a glance. So the layout also follows the campaign visual identity to maintain a consistent and recognizable design across all materials. The supporting characters are inspired by the shape of the donation bin with a ribbon element added to resemble a gift. So these characters are designed to feel friendly and approachable, helping to create an emotional connection with users and reinforce the idea that every donation is a meaningful gift. The supporting graphics also are inspired by the flow of clothing tracks, and these visual elements symbolize continuity and movement, representing how donated clothes continue their journey instead of becoming waste. Move on to the corporate items such as staff uniforms, ID cards and official materials help create a professional, trustworthy image for the campaign, and they also ensure visual consistency across all the touch points. Next is our merchandise items like t-shirt, tote bag, keychains and badges are used as a rewards and promotional tools. So this will encourage participation and help spread campaign awareness in a subtle and practical way. Move on to the advertising strategy that focus on placing visuals in high traffic areas to effectively reach the target audience. Posters and bin information visual are placed near donation bins in universities and public space to guide users at the point of action. So billboards are designed to be placed along highways and main roads in urban areas. They use bold typography, high contrast colors, and a clear call to action, so the message can be easily understood by passing drivers. Series advertisements are also used for digital platforms where each visual highlights one key message: donating clothes, tracking donation, and earning rewards. So this is the future progress. The campaign will be expanded through bunting, TV commercials, social media feeds, and QR code posters to increase reach and reinforce awareness across multiple platforms. So next we move on to the innovation. The Gift of Love app simplifies the donation process by allowing users to scan QR codes, track their donation in real time, and collect points. So this made the experience more interactive and transparent. The splash screen introduces the Gift of Love app with the campaign identity. It creates a strong first impression and reinforces brand recognition before users enter the app. Also, the onboarding screens briefly explain the purpose of the app and how it works. They help first-time users understand the donation, tracking, and reward system in a simple and visual way. Next is login or sign up. This page allows users to create account or login. Having an account enables users to track their donation and collect reward points. Also, the profile page. The profile page displays users' information, donation history, and collected points. This will help users monitor their activity and feel more connected to their contribution. The home screen provides quick access to key features such as donating, tracking donation, and finding rewards. It is designed to be simple and user-friendly for easy navigation. Next features is Find Nearest bin or map. These features will help users locate the nearest donation bin using a map. It makes the donation process more convenient and encourage immediate action. Next features is donation guidelines. The donation guidelines explain what types of clothing are acceptable. This ensures donated items are suitable and reduce confusion. Next is QR scan. Users scan the QR code on the donation bin using the feature. Disconnect the physical donation to the digital tracking system. Next screen is Successful Donate, which is this screen confirms that the donation has been completely successful. So it gives users a sense of satisfaction and reassurance. Next features is tracking feature. The tracking page shows the real-time journey of the donate clothes from collection to distribution. So this transparency helps build trust and emotional engagement. The last features will be rewards feature. So this rewards page display collected points and available rewards, and this system motivates users to donate repeatedly and build a long-term habit. So overall, the app transforms clothing donation into a transparent, interactive, and rewarding experience that encourage sustainable habits among young adults. So here is the QR code that user will scan to experience the full Gift of Love app prototype. So by scanning the QR code, user can interact with the real app flow and better understand how the donation tracking and reward system work in practice. In conclusion, Gift of Love combines design, technology, and emotion to encourage sustainable clothing donation habits. By making the process transparent, interactive, and rewarding, this campaign helps transform clothing donation into a meaningful and repeatable action. So that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.